advisory now in effect from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday. What? Northwest winds 10 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour expected. Where? Portions of central, east central, north central, northeast, northwest, southeast and west central Georgia. When? From 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday. Impacts. Gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Additional details. Gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects. Here is the hazardous weather outlook. No hazardous weather is expected at this time. And now the extended outlook for the period Wednesday through Monday. Wind advisory in effect from 12 p.m. to 10 p.m. Wednesday. Fire weather watch in effect Wednesday afternoon. Freeze watch in effect late Wednesday night into early Thursday for far northeast Georgia. A dry cold front will push across the area Wednesday, resulting in windy conditions. Behind the front, sustained northwest winds 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour will occur. Winds will subside Wednesday evening, but much colder air will overspread the area Wednesday night with minimum temperatures at or just below freezing expected across portions north central and northeast Georgia. The next storm system will bring the threat of heavy rain and strong to severe thunderstorms to the area on Saturday. Continue to monitor the latest forecasts and potential impacts with the system over the next few days. Spotter information states